Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. We are going to study a standard 10th Maths 1, chapter number 1, linear equation and two variable. From that, in the previous videos, we have seen the practice set 1.1 and 1.2. Now we are going to see the further point, that is in determinants. Determinants, here it is shown A, B, C, D is a determinant. In this, AB and CD are the rows, AC and BD are the columns. This determinant is solved in this way by taking cross product AD minus BC. Cut. Now we are going to see the determinant method, that is the Cramer's rule. Here two equations are written, that is A1x plus B1y is equal to C1, that is equation number 1. A2x plus B2y is equal to C2, this is equation number 2. Just we are seeing that how to solve the simultaneous equation by that is Cramer's rule. Now here dx, when we are finding the dx, close this x variables. Now here C1, C2, B1, B2, write it in the determinant. Now dy, when we are finding the dy, at that time close this y variable. Now here you can write A1, A2, C1, C2 in the determinant. Now when you are finding the d, at that time close these constant terms. Now write the coefficient of x and y, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now while finding the variable x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon y. Now in this way, by using this, we are going to solve the Cramer's rule. By using the Cramer's rule, we are going to solve the simultaneous equation. Now we are going to see the practice set 1.3. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. Now determinant is given 3, 2, 4, 5. We are solving it. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4 in this box. Now 3 5s are 15 minus 2 4s are 8. Now 15 minus 8, that is 15 minus 8 is an 7.
1.
Now we are going to see the question number 2. Find the value of the following determinants. First one, determinant minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Now we are going to solve this. That is 1 minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2, which is equal to minus 4 into minus 1 into 4, that is a minus 4. 7 2s are 14, that is minus 14, which is equal to, now minus and minus sign, you are going to add it, but keep the negative sign as it is, that is minus sign. 4 plus 14, that is an 18. Now question from that second example, that is a homework for you. Now we are going to see the third example. Here the question is written, we are going to solve. While solving the determinant, that is 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 is equal to 7 1s are 7 upon 3 2s are 6. This minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 2s are 6. Now the LCM of this is an 6. The LCM of this is an 6. 7. This minus 15, as the denominator is same, we are going to keep the numerator with sign as it is, that is 7 minus 15. Now 7 minus 15, plus and minus, subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Subtract it now. 15 minus 7, that is an 8 upon 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now question number 3, solve the following simultaneous equation using the Cramer's rule, or also you can say that Cramer's method. Now first example, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This we are comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Now second equation, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here we are comparing with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now first we are going to see the dx. In this dx, while finding the dx, determinant dx, close this x part. Now first write constant term 10, 5, and this b2, coefficient of b1 and b2 with sign, that is minus 4 and 3. 10 into 3 minus, in bracket, minus 4 into 5, which is equal to 10 3s are 30, minus into minus this plus, 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 30 plus 20, that is 50. This is the value of dx. Now find dy. dy is equal to determinants, close this y part. Now write the coefficient of a1, that is x, a1 a2, that is 3 4, and constant term 10 5 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4, which is equal to 3 5s are 15, minus 10 4s are 40. Now here plus and minus sign is there. 15 minus 40, that is 25. Keep the greater number sign, that is minus 25. Now find the value of d. d is equal to determinants. d means this constant, that close this constant term. Now write the coefficient of x and y, that is 3 4, and y, that is minus 4 3. Which is equal to 3 into 3 minus, in bracket, minus 4 into 4, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 9, that is 25. Now this is a d. Now we are finding the x is equal to dx upon d. dx value we have calculated, that is 50 upon d, that is 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 2s are 50. Therefore x is equal to 2. Now y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to dy value is minus 25 and d value is 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. Therefore solution x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 1. from this question, second example, that is your homework for you. Now third example we are going to see. Third, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. That is the second equation. For the solution, now x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. Here we are comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Now second equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Here a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now we are going to solve by Cramer's rule, that is an dx first we are going to find, which is equal to determinant x part, that you have close it. Now take the constant term first, that is minus 1 and this 12. Now coefficient of y, that is 2 and here minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12, which is equal to minus into minus, that is a plus. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 12, that is 24. 3 minus 24, 3 minus 24, that is a 21. Here we are, one plus sign is there, one minus sign is there, subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Greater number is 24, so minus sign. This is the value of dx. Now dy, close the y part. Now coefficient of x is here 1. In the second equation, the coefficient of x is 2. Constant term minus 1 and this 12. Now dy is equal to 1 into 12 minus, in bracket, minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 1 12s are 12, minus into minus plus, this 2 so 12 plus 2, that is 14. So dy is equal to 14. Now find the value of d. Now close the constant term. Coefficient of x is 1 and here 2. Now coefficient of y, here that is 2 and here that is minus 3, is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4, which is equal to minus 3 minus 4. You should add it but keep the minus sign as it is. 3 plus 4, that is 7. This is d. Now x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to dx is minus 21 upon d is minus 7. Minus minus get cancelled, 7 on the 7, 7 3s are 21, which is equal to 3. Now y is equal to dy upon d. dy is 14 upon D is minus 7, 7 on the 7, 7 2 the 14, which is equal to minus 2. Now solution x comma y is equal to x value is in a 3 comma y value is in a minus 2. Now from this practice set 1.3, the last example, sixth example, we are going to see 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. This is the first equation. Second equation is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here in this second equation, the denominator 2 is there. So we are multiplying both the side by 2. 2 in bracket x minus y upon 2 bracket complete is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2. Here solving this, 2x minus this both 2 to cancel, that is y is equal to here 2 to cancel, that is 1. Now we are taking first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. We are comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Second equation 2x minus y is equal to 1, comparing with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now we are finding the dx close this x coefficient, that is x part. Now take the constant term, that is 2, 1, and here the coefficient of y is 3, and minus 1. Two into minus 1 minus 3 into 1, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 3 ones are 3, which is equal to minus and minus, keep the minus sign and add it, 2 plus 3, that is a 5. This is dx. Now dy is equal to, now y part, this you are going to close it. Now coefficient of x is 2, 2, and constant term is 2, 1. Now here we are going to solve now. Dy is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 2 twos are 4, which is equal to plus and minus subtracted but keep the greater number sign, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Now d is equal to, close the constant term, coefficient of x you are going to take first, 2, 2, then coefficient of y 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 3 twos are 6, which is equal to minus and minus, keep the minus and as it is and add it, 6 plus 2, that is an 8. This is d. Now x is equal to dx upon d. Dx is minus 5, d is minus 8, minus minus sign get cancelled, that is 5 upon 8. Y is equal to dy upon d, dy is minus 2 upon minus 8, minus minus sign get cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore solution x comma y is equal to 5 upon 8, 1 upon 4.